Now it's time to get up and running with our Ruby on Rails development environment. This used to be really hard to set up, but the Rails tutorial has a long-running partnership with Cloud9, now part of Amazon Web Services, which lets us run a full development environment right in our browser, as seen here. A second option is to set up a native system as a development environment. In this case, I'm running macOS. Here's a terminal window. And here's a text editor. I definitely suggest setting up your native operating system as a development environment at some point, and you can find details in Learn Enough Dev Environment to be dangerous, but it's a lot more difficult. In order to get things to work, you're likely to have to apply your technical sophistication, which is a term we use at Learn Enough to refer to the general ability to figure out technical problems. But for now, if there's any question in your mind, I definitely recommend using this Cloud Integrated Development Environment, or Cloud IDE, to complete the Ruby on Rails tutorial. It's easy to use, powerful, and makes for a pleasant development experience.